Step 1. Unboxing. Place the box on the ground. Cut zip ties, slice tape, remove foam, take out parts or tools, and lift the bike out. Step 2. Pre-setup prep. Remove the front wheel, then remove all zip ties and protective packaging from the frame. Step 3. Handlebar install. Remove the stem cap. Position the handlebar in the center. Replace the cap and do not tighten the screws yet. Step 4. Front fender. Use a 4mm Allen key to remove the 3 mounting screws from the bottom of the fork crown. Align the fender holes with the threaded holes, and secure the screws back in place. Step 5. Front wheel. Remove the front wheel axle. Take out the disc brake protector. Place the front wheel into the fork. Note: when inserting the front wheel, ensure the brake disc is inserted into the brake caliper. Pass the front wheel axle through the wheel from the left side of the fork. Note: it must pass through the long spacer at the same time. When exiting from the right side of the wheel. Note: it must pass through the short spacer at the same time. Then exit from the right side of the fork. Finally secure it with the nut, and use a wrench to tighten the front wheel axle. Step 6. Headlight install. Use a 5mm Allen key to remove the 2 screws from the upper fork crown. Confirm the installation direction of the headlight connector. Align according to the arrows on the connectors. Before installing the light bracket, lay the handlebar down. Use a wrench to secure the headlight bracket to the upper fork crown, then return the handlebar to its original position and tighten the screws. Install the protective foam strip. Step 7. Front plate install. Remove the screw under the light bracket. Clip the wiring harness and front brake hose onto the front plate. Insert the bottom of the front plate into the fixed post at the bottom of the fender, and use a 5mm Allen key to fix the front plate. Important: straighten the brake cable and secure it with zip ties, following the video guide to avoid wear or breakage during your ride. Step 8. Pedal install. Remove the screws at the pedal mounting position, and secure the pedals on. Remove the screws under the seat, secure the metal chain on, and finally tighten the fasteners under the seat. How to remove and install the battery. How to power on the bike. Speed adjustment and handlebar button explanation demonstration. Light adjustment light control.